Welcome to Prism Insights, your gateway to the forefront of AI innovations transforming industries from academia to healthcare and beyond. Today, we delve into the latest groundbreaking developments. Stay tuned as we uncover how these advancements are reshaping our world. Economic Impact of Generative AI, a new report by Andrew McAfee highlights generative AI as a pivotal economic catalyst. Imagine automating 10% of tasks in most U.S. jobs, boosting productivity while reshaping workforce skills. For entrepreneurs, this means a golden opportunity to leverage AI for a competitive edge. It's time to prioritize AI-centric education to bridge skill gaps and adapt to this swiftly changing landscape. Generative AI is one of the rare technologies powerful enough to accelerate overall economic growth, what economists call a general-purpose technology. These innovations have the potential to positively transform economies and societies. By one estimate, close to 80% of the jobs in the U.S. economy could see at least 10% of their tasks done twice as quickly, with no loss in quality, via the use of generative AI. Previous general-purpose technologies like the steam engine and electrification have brought their changes over decades. However, we anticipate that generative AI's effects will be felt more quickly due to its ability to diffuse quickly via the internet and its ease of use owing to its natural language interface. AI surpassing human benchmarks. Stanford's latest AI index report shows AI outperforming humans in tasks like image classification and reading comprehension, yet it's still challenged by complex problem solving. This is a call to action for business leaders. Harness these technologies to enhance decision-making and operational efficiencies, understanding both the capabilities and limits of current AI. Stanford University's Institute for Human-Centered Artificial Intelligence, HAI, has released the 7th annual issue of its comprehensive AI Index report, written by an interdisciplinary team of academic and industrial experts. AI's role in music innovation. In the music industry, Drake's Made Freestyle marks a milestone, using AI to blend the iconic voices of Tupac and Snoop Dogg with modern sounds. This fusion of AI and creativity sets a new bar, prompting us to consider the ethical and creative dimensions of AI in music production. The beef between Drake and what continues to be a strong sect of the hip-hop community grows deeper. On Friday night, April 19, the rapper released a song on his social media entitled Made Freestyle, which uses AI vocals from Tupac Shakur and Snoop Dogg on a stopgap between diss records as he awaits Kendrick Lamar's reply to his freshly released Push-Ups. AI and cancer treatment. AI is revolutionizing healthcare with new tools predicting cancer treatment responses by analyzing the genetic makeup of each patient's cancer cells. For healthcare professionals, this signifies a transformative shift towards personalized medicine, emphasizing the need to invest in AI-driven technology. In the continuous fight against cancer, a new groundbreaking development has emerged from the collaborative efforts of researchers at Stanford Burnham-Prebys and the National Cancer Institute, part of the National Institutes of Health. They have introduced a pioneering artificial intelligence tool, Perception, personalized single-cell expression-based planning for treatments in oncology, which aims to transform the landscape of cancer treatment by predicting patient responses to various cancer therapies with remarkable precision. Thank you for joining us at Prism Insights. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on all social media platforms, and join our school community. Share your thoughts and let us know what AI topics you want covered next.